Tired of contract chaos? Let's ditch the paper and create a streamlined Docusign contract in just a few easy steps. First, head over to Docusign and log into your account. If you don't have one, you can easily sign up for a free trial. Once you're logged in, click on the big new button. This is where the magic begins. Now, select Upload and choose the document you want to use as your contract from your computer. Docusign supports various file formats like PDF, Word, and more. Great, your document is uploaded. Now, you'll see it displayed in Docusign. On the left-hand side, you'll find different fields like signature, initial, date signed, and text. Simply drag and drop these fields onto your document where you need signatures, initials, dates, or any other information from your recipients. Next, assign roles to your recipients. Docusign automatically numbers them as Signer 1, Signer 2, and so on, but you can customize these roles if needed. Click the Add Recipient button to add the email addresses and names of all the parties who need to sign the contract. You can even set a signing order if it's crucial. Once you've added all your recipients and placed all the necessary fields, take a final look to ensure everything is perfect, then click the Send button. And that's it. Docusign will automatically send the contract to your recipients for signing. You'll receive notifications when they've signed, and you'll have a legally binding, fully executed contract in no time.